The WXR 860 and the TXR 860 are Miele's premium compact washer and dryer pair, and the best compact laundry set you can buy. In fact, the set may be the most technologically advanced appliances on the market. But does this mean you should buy it? Maybe not. In this video, you'll learn about Miele's best features and two biggest problems. We'll also focus on the dryer because their heat pump technology is the best on the market. Stay to the end to see a short comparison to the most popular compact laundry set, Bosch. Let's get started. The 860 series washer has an unbelievable amount of features with 25 different wash programs and touchscreen controls. It has cycles for every type of fabric, from cottons that runs from 2 hours and 43 minutes to an express wash at 66 minutes. But most competitive machines have plenty of cycles. Miele has a soft steam setting, spraying steam at the precise moment to eliminate tougher stains. A few brands like Electrolux and Samsung also offer steam in their compact sets. But here's what makes Miele unique. Their automatic twin-dose dispenser dispenses bleach and detergent automatically. Both are also dispensed at different times for maximum effectiveness, while most other washing machines dispense at the same time. A machine with an automatic dispenser will stop you from adding too much detergent. Excess detergent stays in the machine and over time becomes an expensive and avoidable service call. It also holds 50 loads of detergent, so you're not reloading with every wash. The 860 series washer also features their Intense Wash 2-pump system. 2 pumps more evenly distribute water and detergent from the top and bottom of the machine, rather than just the bottom, like every other washer. The detergent and bleach are also mixed more evenly between the 2 pumps. You can also use Miele's specialized detergent caplets through a special caplet dispenser dubbed Captos for silks, outerwear, wool, and synthetic fabrics. However, you can also use other brands of detergent caplets. You don't have to use just Miele's. Miele is the only brand to offer a caplet dispenser on their compact laundry units. Their 160 RPM spin speed is much better than the industry average at 1200 RPM. Miele's high spin speed pre-dries your clothes for less time in the dryer. You can even wash fine washables, unlike other brands, because of the perforated honeycomb drum. During the wash, this drum allows clothes to float on a sheet of water rather than touching the metal sides for a gentler wash. Both the washer and the dryer feature smart functionality. You can see the time remaining and receive a push notification on your smartphone when the cycle is complete. So you don't have to wait in your laundry room and watch as your clothes finish their cycle. And now for the dryer, which could be even more interesting than the washer. Miele was one of the first companies to offer the more efficient heat pump technology in their dryer, which uses an air exchanger and compressor to heat the air inside the dryer rather than standard drying elements. The air is also recycled and recirculated through the drum rather than pulling air from the inside of your home. Heat pump dryers also dry at a lower temperature, so they're far more efficient, and they're ventless. So you can place this Miele set anywhere with water and power. However, what makes Miele's heat pumps unique is that it only uses 110 volts of electricity to operate, which is half of the industry standard at 220 volts. When we tested the Miele versus the 220-volt Bosch compact dryer, the drying times were the same. The reason this is possible is because Miele's dryer will calculate the precise drying time by employing mineral and moisture sensors. These sensors will automatically adjust to the optimum drying times depending on the minerals left in the moisture from the clothes, even if you have hard, soft, or well water. Remember, you'll also have less drying time in a Miele dryer because the washer is incredibly fast with that 1600 RPM spin speed. So again, it's pre-drying your clothes. Miele is the only compact dryer with steam functionality. You can refresh a shirt or an outfit in the steam cycle of the dryer and reduce wrinkles and remove odors. Another cool part of Miele's compact dryer is that you have the option to choose from a number of different scents to add to your drying cycle. This is dubbed Fragrance Dose, and it offers scents produced in France. The Miele dryer also has a honeycomb drum, so things like zippers and buttons don't get caught, ripped, or frayed during the cycle. Based on our internal service data, Miele was serviced 8.5% of the time in the first year. That's lower than the average appliance service rate at 9.5%, but higher than the average compact washer rate at 5.6%. Then again, Miele's installation with a 110-volt dryer is unique and may be part of the issue. Nothing is even close in terms of features to this Miele compact washer set. However, at $4,800, the price is almost triple a full-size washer and dryer and $2,000 more than the most popular Bosch set with a heat pump dryer. In terms of features, Miele is far better than Bosch. The spin speed on the Miele is 1600 versus 1400 RPM for the Bosch. You have the ability to add caplets, an automatic dispenser for detergents and bleach, the honeycomb drum, steam functionality in both the washer and dryer, and Miele has a better sensor and similar drying times to the Bosch while only using half of the power at 110 volts. Plus, they have the honeycomb drum in the dryer as well to dry fine washables and the ability to add fragrances. Bosch only has two better attributes than the Miele. First, Bosch is incredibly reliable at 2.5% serviced within the first year. By far, that is the best in the industry. And the heat pump dryer is self-cleaning. You do have to clean the filter on the Miele. If you like Miele's features but don't want to spend $4,800, then check out Miele's less expensive set by clicking on this video. Thanks for watching.